Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Moto Buds Plus. You have to start by open the application. Now click on gestures and we should make it just for a double tap. We can make it for a triple tap or long tap. So for the left one I prefer to give volume down and done, and for the right one I prefer to give volume up and done. And now let's test it. You have touch buttons here, so just press 2 times and you will increase or lower the volume. So now I will press 2 times on my left earbud and I just lower the volume. And right now I will press on my right earbud 2 times. And as you can see, I'm just increase the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.